In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart on Monday.com so you can visualize your project timelines more effectively. This feature is perfect for project managers, freelancers, and teams of any size. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account using your email and password or preferred login method. Then open the workspace or board where you want to display your Gantt chart. Make sure your items have date columns added. Next, click the plus icon in the View section at the top of your board. Then select Gantt from the list of available views. This instantly creates a Gantt chart using your board data. It will automatically sync with your existing timeline or date columns, and you can edit the view, filter data, and adjust chart settings as needed. And that's how easy it is to build a Gantt chart inside Monday.com. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials like this one.
See you next time!